In this video, I will show you how to make that Morse code practice oscillator. Step by step. This is the circuit with one-stage amplifiers diagram, which consists of an Esaki oscillator and a transistor amplifier combined. All parts here such as capacitors, a LED, transistors, a minute transformer, pin terminals and resistors and etc. will be soldered on this PCB. Those parts have been soldered on the PCB already. Input DC 12 volt is for this pin terminal. This is for Morse code key, and located here on the PCB. This are a LED with its resistor, and located here. That is a capacitor which its value determines oscillator's frequency, output's pitch. There are 3 extra empty positions for adding capacitors to get pitch changed. This is the mini transformer, and right here, that is a transistor for the Esaki oscillator circuit, which is just located beside the mini transformer. Those are the resistors. Together with the transistor for one-stage amplifier circuit. Finally, that is the output. Middle 2 terminals are for the ground. Right-hand terminal is for the audio output. This is an AC 220 and 240 volt to DC 12 volt converter. Those are the input AC wires. These are the output DC wires of 12 volt. And that is AC power cord. As mentioned previously, this is for Morse code key. Those are for DC positive 12 volt and audio output. This is an audio amplifier with DC 2 to 12 volt and maximum 5 watt. That are DC power input terminals wires. An audio input socket with its jack. This is a heatsink for amplifiers IC. That is a step-down converter of DC 12 volt to DC 9 volt for the amplifier. This is a speaker of 16 ohms and maximum 5 watt. Now all things have been connected and secured on a board. These are the wires among the individual components. That is a capacitor, which can be replaced as a resistor to change the oscillator's frequency. And a few empty places here are for the purpose. The power cord of AC 220 to 240 volt is here. This is the adjuster for audio volume. Whole thing is covered by a black cover. And that's it. This Morse code practice oscillator is ready. And adjusting audio volume now. S O S S. This sound is the one after change the value of inside capacities. Now you've known how to DIY your own Morse code practice oscillator. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe if you've enjoyed the video. Your encouragement is my motivation.